Work features are construction geometry used when the geometry of the part is insufficient for creating new features. In this example, a slot has to be cut for a key. We'll be using either the work plane, axis, or point to do that. Analyzing what we need to do, we're going to create a work plane on top of this cylinder. We do that by selecting the XZ plane and the top surface of the cylinder. Now we can create a sketch. That wasn't possible without creating the work plane. Turn off the visibility of that work plane. Now we can go ahead and use our normal sketch features to create that slot. We'll start by projecting the edge of the cylinder. Now we can create a line, and that line will be the profile of the keyway slot. Continuing around and finishing off that sketch. We can now use constraints to geometrically position that sketch. A vertical constraint for the centers of the arcs, and for the positioning of that on the center of the cylinder. Now we can dimension the arc. That's a distance of 0.125, and the distance between the centers of the arcs, and that's a distance of 0.75. We also want to position from the edge of the cylinder to the center of the first arc, and that's a dimension of 0.250. Now that it's positioned, we can go ahead and cut that slot out. Again, only possible because we used a work feature. Using the Extrude tool, we're going to cut, and we're going to give a distance of 0.125 inches. Now we've completed the slot for the key. Again, only possible by creating the sketch using a work plane.